My father was a broker. It's a company name is Angel Broking here, the share broker. So it's you can say it's our family business, like brokering the firm. And I used to start to work as a dealer at my father's office, like work behalf of the people, like putting the order, buy, sells, and everything. Then after 2017, after my father did, I serious about this business, and then I started my MBA in finance, because when you are having a brokerage firm, then you should learn about some finance, and then why people is believing on you just because of you have some knowledge. No, you need to endorse your knowledge first, then people get believe in you. Then after I trade for before I trade only on delivery basis on cash segments, just delivery the sets, and then like long term investments.
Yeah.
First off, I was started as a long term investments, work on a weekly time frame.
Yeah, I was going to ask you about that because on your account, because we see so many trading accounts, I've not seen that many traders that have done exactly what you've done, and we've only got 29 trades over basically an entire year nearly. It was July
Yeah,
last year, and that
in
doesn't happen very often. So is it your background that informs that very, very slow, very careful way of trading? That's very rare
it's
in props.
it's a pattern I adopt. I'm doing multi time frame analysis. Like uh, first, I'm finding the trend on weekly, then analyze it on daily, and then I'm taking the entry, execute my trade in 1 hour time frame.
Mm,
Okay,
yeah,
and I'm just focused on weekly time frame,
right.
because in a daily or in a hourly time frame, you can see that sometimes uh, market goes up, then for the little bit retrace, for the get big moves. So from the day, very first day of my trading career, I'm just using ABC pattern. A B
Okay.
take, and
Very,
I'm looking for D. That's
very
it.
simple approach.
Yeah, simple approach, and all pivots. I'm marked down all pivots. The last high, last weekly, and I am like resistance and support. Therefore, I'm just using weekly high and low.
Right.
That's
Oh,
it. It's a
okay.
very simple chart, and in this FTUK, first two my trades I lost. I am using point one lots and just understood the platform.
Yeah. Yeah. You've obviously done it in the right way, then just easing yourself in. You've got the stats are beautiful on this 29 trades, like I said, in nearly a year. The longest trade was 12 days, the shortest was only an hour. There's no scalping in there whatsoever. It's very refreshing to see that. The other thing I was going to say on we'll talk about your choice of assets as well. Your best trade was on gold. Obviously, so many people trade gold, but your worst trade was on the pound against the Japanese yen. There's a lot of currencies
Yeah,
in your
and
choice.
that's
Where does that come from?
that actually that was my mistake, pound and USD, because I want to actually enter in a buy position. But by the mistake, I click on a sell.
Yeah.
So, and first is my base thing is position sizing. You can see I'm just using only one lot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, if trade against me about 100 points, then don't worry. It's more than about half an percent of my total capital.
Yeah. Well, it's obviously
And
working.
this
That simple approach is obviously working. And like you say, a simple ABC pattern. I mean, your win rate is fantastic, 89%. So the way that you are framing your strategy is clearly a work of very great patience and discipline.
Yeah, and actually, trading is not like a. I am taking as a business, and in India there is a one line. If you want to success in your business, you need 1,000 days.
Right.
So you need like lots of patience, like tiger, like lion. You need to wait around the little animal come and you can go and kill them and then eat.
Yeah.
Not every time. So like me, I'm just looking at the chart, putting some notification over there. If this level is get, then I got the notification. Then I approach to my system and then waiting for the trade. I click and I enter to the trade. And I am not a greedy. If currently I'm working with a $100,000 account. So I believe in the 500 to 600 dollar is more than enough to achieve your target within a handsome time. Like this is a appropriate time, not like that. I want $1,000, I want $3,000, I want $5,000 in one trade.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You can see my trade before the 15th November. I one of my trade is gold. Is I'm achieving like a $1,200 in one trade. If I keep this trade on, the maybe in a December or January, this only trade give me 10,000. But I'm not a greedy. If 500 to 600 I achieve, I left off from my trade and looking for another opportunity, because I'm thinking like that in my, it's my rule. The stock market is for a like long life. My grandfather was trade, my father was trading, and currently I am. And maybe in future, my son, my daughter also will trade. Because we can live maybe like 80 years, 70 years, but stock market is still over there for the thousands years. So no hurry, keep patient, and grab a perfect opportunity that make you a great win ratio. That's it.
Yeah, well, it's definitely something that is working in that family heritage, in that sense of patience. You can see it on the account.
Yeah.
So it's amazing, amazing job. The account is fantastic. On to level 2, you've got a $5,000 payout on the way. We really appreciate you jumping on and having a quick chat with us. Yeah, anything else that you need in the meantime, you're always here to help support our traders, and we're really privileged to have a trader of this kind of quality with us at FTUK. Thank you very much for joining us today. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Nick.